welcome to another tutorial of a solution journals. Today we will learn how to recover a delete account on TikTok. So the first thing you need to know is for you recover the account, the only thing you need to do is get the you need to get the email what you create your account, your delete account, and you need to open open a session for reactivate activate that account, was desactivate or delete. The only thing you need to do is put your email in the option of add new account. Here you need to put your email for reactivate that account, and after that you need to after you put your email, you need to put a code, and that's it. You complete the process. So this is a tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.